Hi everyone. Well, today I'm creating you this video because I want to refresh you the structures of the simple present tense, and it is because we're gonna be using it in our second week activities. So here we go. The first thing that I would like to mention are the time expressions. Maybe you remember that the time expressions are gonna be helping us to set the period of time in which something is done in a sentence. That's why we have many different types of time expressions that we're going to be used according to the grammar tense that we are talking about. In this case, to talk about simple present tense, we have some examples like on Mondays, always, never, sometimes, often, usually, every day, and once a week. Okay, so moving on, the uses of simple present tense, we have habits, facts, states, and regular actions. And it is the most common tense in English language, and it is also the more used. First, we're going to divide or pronounce into two groups. The ones that you see in blue color, I, you, we, they, you, are going to be or plural pronouns. Then, the ones that you see in blue dark color, he, she, and it are going to be or singular pronouns. And in this case, those pronouns are going to be or third person. Okay, here we're going to see how to arrange a positive sentence by using a plural subject. In this case, we have I, you, we, they, you. Then we need a subject, a verb, and the rest of or the complement of a sentence. We already mentioned that we're going to be focused on plural pronouns. So we choose the boys. Then we have the verb go, and then we have to the pool as the rest of the sentence. The boys go to the pool. Then we're going to be doing a positive sentence, but in this case, we're going to be focused on a third person pronoun. And we're going to do it with the same example. The first thing that we need is a subject. Then we need a verb, and then the rest of the sentence. The boy is the subject, goes, the verb, to the pool, the rest of the sentence. The boy goes to the pool. And as you can see, the verb here suffered a little change. And it is because every time that we are talking a third person, the verb in simple form is going to suffer a modification. We're going to be adding a letter S, a ES, or a IES ending. Then we're going to have the rules for adding S to he, she, it. With these rules, we're going to identify if we have to add an S ending, an ES ending, or an IES ending. And there you go. We add ES ending to the base form when the verb ends with a CH, a SH, an S, an X, RZ, or an O. For example, fix turns into fixes. Watch turns into watches. Wash turn into washes. Kiss turn into kisses. And buzz turn into buzzes. Then, when the verb ends with Y, and there is a consonant before the letter Y. We're gonna drop it and we're gonna add an IES. For example, in the verb fly, we have